In this video, I'll show you how to generate a CSR in GoDaddy step by step, so you can get the certificate signing request you need for setting up SSL on your website. If you've ever felt stuck trying to find the right option inside GoDaddy or cPanel, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through it in a simple and clear way. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the My Product section. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your purchased services, including hosting and domain tools. After that, scroll down until you find your web hosting plan, and then click Manage. This will take you into the management area for your hosting account. Next, click cPanel Admin. This opens the cPanel dashboard, which is where many advanced hosting and security settings are located. Now that you're inside cPanel, look for the Security section and click SSL/TLS. This is the area you need for managing certificates and generating a CSR. Inside SSL/TLS, find the option that says Generate, View, or Delete SSL Certificate Signing Requests. Click that link to open the CSR generator. Now you'll see a form where you need to enter your certificate request details. This includes your key, domain names, city, state, country, and company information. Make sure everything is entered correctly, because this information should match your business or website details. If you're generating a CSR for a single domain, enter the primary domain name carefully. If you're setting up SSL for a business or organization, fill in the company fields with accurate information as well. Once all the required fields are completed, click Generate. GoDaddy and cPanel will create the CSR for you automatically. After that, you'll see the CSR code displayed on the screen. This is the certificate signing request that you'll need to copy and submit to your SSL provider or certificate authority. Make sure you copy the full CSR exactly as shown, including all the lines of code, because even a small mistake can cause issues when you try to issue the certificate. Once you've copied it, you can paste it into the appropriate SSL setup or certificate order form. And that's it. You've successfully generated a CSR in GoDaddy. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.